Hey, are you having an issue where you play a game and you're not hearing the audio from the non-playable characters? You stand directly in front of them and you don't hear them, but when you turn sideways, you start to hear the audio. Something's off, right? It's not stereo. So here's the fix. Open up your Shadow PC, go to Microsoft Edge, and you have to download Classic Shell. The reason for that is because your speakers, your headsets or whatever is playing 7.1 instead of stereo. So what I would do is I would download Classic Shell. I don't know how to get to this menu without Classic Shell, so go ahead and download this, right? It just makes your Windows 10 act like Windows 7. Once you do that, when you click on this, you're going to see something like this. In here, type in sound, okay? And you'll get this old sound dialog, which I could not get on Windows 10 for some reason. Right click on this blade shadow because that is your audio, and configure speakers. And here you probably have this selected. So select stereo, click next, whatever next, finish, and click OK. And what I like to do is either restart the machine or click here and just do restart streaming. Go back into your game and your game should be working fine.